Right, so today we're going to be playing Radiohead's Lucky, so we'll get straight into it and start with the first chords of the verse. So the chords that we need for this is an E minor. We then need an A minor, a G, a B minor, and back to an E minor. So time wise, we'll run a wheel through it, just down strums first, so E minor for 2, A minor for 2, G for 2, B minor for 4, 2, 3, 4, back to the E minor, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if we do a wee bit more strum a little bit more in time, E minor, A minor, G, B minor, right, so the wee bit missing there is in the B minor. There's two different ways of playing this. The way Tom plays it is he plays a smaller B minor shape. So normally we're barring the B minor there, and he plays it with the first finger, first finger, second fret, first string, and we're just going up in a straight line. So third fret, second string, and fourth fret, third string. And all he does is pulls off on the first. Now an easier way of doing this is if we were playing the B minor shape that we normally do, we just lift the bar off, lift the first finger off, so. Okay, so you can do either. The more accurate version would obviously be Tom's version, like that. So it sounds like this if you add all together, so start the E minor, A minor, G, B minor, back to the E minor. Okay, so next bit is a C, G, B minor, back to the E minor. So we're in time, C, G, B minor, E minor. So again C for 2, G for 2, B minor, E minor. Now a little bit that we can add into that is on the E minor, if we play it with our second and third strings and leave the first finger free, we can play this. So we're putting the first finger, first fret, sixth string, and playing the E minor shape. So this fits in like this if we start with the C. Okay, so run through it all. Starts with E minor, A minor, G, B minor, E minor, C, G, B minor, E minor. Right, so that repeats for the verse. Sometimes he adds the first finger onto the sixth string, sometimes he doesn't. Sometimes he adds it keeps the B minor as a whole rather than actually lifting off or moving to this small B minor shape. Listen to the song and you'll see different ways of doing it. But essentially that is the verse. So if we move on to the actual chorus, even easier, the chorus is essentially A and E minor. Okay, but what we do in the very last strum of the 4 bars, so I'll show you in we take the bottom finger off, the pinky off, to make it a sus2, then up to the E minor. Okay, so A, what we can then also do is we add from the E minor, we add a pinky on to the second string in the 3rd fret to make it an E minor 7, but just at the end of the chord, just near enough the 4th strum. So it's the E minor, 7, A, sus4. Chops and changes, so sometimes he puts it on, sometimes he doesn't. It just depends. It's really to get a feel of the song. You can do it either way, and he's done it a million different ways, but it's there if you want to add it on or not. Okay, that is basically the chorus done. Pull me out, pull me out. Right, and just repeats. Then what he does at the very end of the chorus, he plays a C, a C7, and then a B7. Okay, that's the we are standing on the edge. You can play a B7, the bar style if you want. I think it's just natural because we were playing the B minor here already to then use this version of it. But if you want to go the sort of open chord version, that's fine. He does that as well. So either way, remember there's like 3 guitars on this song, especially when he's playing it electric. So you can play it a multitude of different ways, and they're all doing kind of different wee licks and things all over the top of it. So again, if we add that all together, so it's the E, the A. That's 4 to E minor, to 7, A, finger off to the E minor, to 7, A, E minor, and you can see now, C, C7, B7, standing on the edge. Cool, right, now that's basically near enough the whole song. So the other wee bit we've got is the sort of middle 8 part, or whatever you want to call it, the link to this. Right, so what we're doing there, if we play a C shape, okay, and take the middle finger off, that is the shape that we're essentially wanting, okay, and it's the same shape that we use sliding down on the 4 different frets. So basically the first one, the first finger will be on, using that shape obviously, the first finger will be on the 7th fret and your 3rd finger will be on the 9th. We're sliding it down 2 frets, slide down 2 again, and 2 again. So again, 7th and 9th, 5th and 7th, 3rd and 5th, 1st and 3rd. But give the 6th string a tap before you start strumming, that's all. The next bit is just basically we're just using the 6th string. So it's the second, 3rd, 2nd, open. 2nd, 3rd, 2nd, open. So the 3rd is just a hammer. Back into the chorus. A. And that's it. That's the whole song. So essentially, obviously, you need to get the verse will repeat, the chorus will repeat before you come to basically the link at the end or the middle eight, whatever you want to call it. But essentially, it is at the end of the song, this bit. So it sort of just links one more sort of chorus part to it, and that's it, finished. So hopefully that's been helpful. Cheers.